Hey guys, welcome to my shop. If you're anything like me, finishing is probably one of your least favorite aspects of woodworking. Well, I just completed finishing all these planks of bird's eye maple. Believe it or not, 2 hours ago they were raw wood. I use shellac. I love shellac for figured maple because it really makes it pop. And I love using the Lambswool applicator to apply it because it's quick, it does a great job. And if you haven't discovered the Lambswool applicator for shellac as well as any other oil-based finish, you will thank me for this. I'll show you how easy it was to finish these in 2 hours to an excellent finish. One of the things about these Lambswool applicators is you can use them over and over again. They actually get better with time because they shed less fibers the older they are, but this one's a little worse for wear. That's why I'm going to replace it, and when I do, I'll show you how easy it is to make a new one. Using this pure leaf tea container here makes applying the finish to your Lambswool applicator really easy, but also cleaning it as well. Notice that I draw back to drain out the excess out of the applicator. Notice that after only applying once to the applicator, I'm able to apply finish completely to 2 full boards. Kind of makes you wonder how long a sheep has to dry off after getting wet in the wild. After the first coat's done, I hit it with 400 sandpaper. Subsequent coats, I just hit it with the green Scotch-Brite pad. And once I've completed my third or final coat, then I also finish it off with the white Scotch-Brite pad, which leaves a really super smooth finish. The final step in my finishing process is I apply wax. I haven't done it to these boards yet, but this drawer is finished with wax. And as you can see, look at how that bird's eye maple just really pops. And it's so smooth, you just can't help but rubbing your fingers over it. All right, guys, I hope that convinced you how awesome the Lambswool applicator is. So now I'll show you how to make one. First off, you can buy your Lambswool. I got this at Home Depot. I don't remember how much it costs. I just have one little piece left here. And I'm gonna make my own. Now you can buy one, but it's not going to fit in your custom container that you're going to make. It's going to work with your applicator. So it's super easy. I'm using 5/16, actually more than that. It's a little less than a 1/2 inch staples in here. And this is just glued on here. It's pine. I've never had the glue fail from using all sorts of solvents to clean the Lambswool applicator. So I don't use any screws in there, and you don't need any sort of adhesive to stick it to this as long as you tightly staple it to the pine. Pull it nice and tight. Same thing on the sides. Take all that extra there and the pleat and just, I'm sure people who do a much better job at this, but that's not me. Try and pick off all the hairs on your edges here. First time you use this, you're going to leave a lot behind. The more and more you use it, the less and less that'll happen, to the point where it'll virtually leave no. And to the safety police, you'll notice throughout the video, I do not wear gloves when applying shellac. Yes. You know they apply shellac to apples, and shellac is edible. Another awesome thing. Now try and make this cut nice and straight. because that's what you're going to use to bleed excess solvent or excess finish off of your applicator before you go to use it. And there you have it. Super easy to use, super easy to make, and super easy to use, and you can use it over and over again. This is going to probably last me for a year. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Post any constructive comments in the comments section. And oh, I had these out. If you ever try using these for shellac, they suck. Thanks for watching. Bonus tea. And don't get coronavirus. It sucks.